have a super duper simple exercise that can help you engage your lower abs before you start posing. So actually, three of my girls, they've all had kids and they all tell me that they have trouble engaging their lower abs. So this looks deceivingly simple, but it's like super duper effective. So I have like a little ball, and then while putting pressure against the ball, I'm just gonna roll it up. So just having this physical object is really forcing me to tighten this part of my belt. So I actually find it's super simple, but it's very effective. Like every time I go up, it's very tight on the most bottom belt of my abdominals. And then when I come back, I release. And once you do that, a couple times, I actually want you to just hold it and press into the ball. So putting pressure into the ball is also going to help you engage this super duper lower bottom belt that everyone complains about. So when you're here and up, just press against it.